Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to try to last chainsaw. I'm not that good at it. I'll try. Okay. Come on, chainsaw. Come on. Oh, that was so close to the chainsaw. What am I doing, bro? Boom. Please don't use the katana, bro. Don't use the right shoulder katana, please. Oh, please. Let's do this. Okay, so I feel like he's using katana right now. Okay, so our goal for this video is to try to win a 260, a trick shot or a 360 also. Like try to no scope and they around there, so like this. Come on, hit that. Oh, that was so close, that was so close, that was so close. Where is he? How far? I'm cook, bro, I'm cook. Okay. Marshy. What's up, Marshy? We gotta lock him, Marshy, I'm gonna lock him. Oh! Why was I hitting the revolver, bro? Wait, what? How did I miss that? Now, how did auto shoot miss that, bro? Bro, what's wrong? Oh my god, bro. Okay, I'm supposed to master this chainsaw, and I kinda not mastering that because like, okay. Stop. Boom. Okay, bro, like, what am I? 50? Oh my god, bro. 50? And come on, one more 50. One more 50. One more 50. Yeah. Guys. Chainsaw, bro. You're filming right now. Chainsaw, why are you filming me, bro? Chainsaw, what are you doing? Let me cipher now. W side, bro. W side. Chainsaw, you suck. Please, I feel like he's gonna use katana or right shield. I feel like it, bro. Cause every single round, people always use that. I don't know why. I might lose this. Okay. 1 more 50 again. 1 more 50. W. I love the scythe. Chainsaw, should I give Chainsaw one more chance? Chainsaw, I'll give you one more chance. Wait, hold on. I feel like he's gonna use something, bro. What is he using? Show what he's using. Wait, he's gonna go up. Then he goes down. And then headshot. Headshot. GG's, bro. GG's. Good game. Level 211. Got beaten by level 78. I mean, I'm not level 78. I'm on alt. The patch notes page contains all the new content. It's 2024. Oh, I was actually playing on June 3rd. I was playing on June 29th. I'm an OG Rivals player. Please don't be a hacker. Please don't be a hacker. Please don't be a hacker. Please, please, please. Oh, he won't be a hacker. I trust him making this. Because I was one too. Okay, katana. Oh, yes, I hate that trick shot. That's a trick shot, right? That count, right? That count. Come on. Yeah, that count. W. First round. And we hit a trick shot. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Is he hacking? Wait. It sounds. How do you? No. I know you use the jump pad, but like. Wait. Am I hacking? I hit to the katana, bro. Wait, hold up. And he just gonna spam katana, bro. Like he just gonna spam. I was so cool. He's getting one shot, bro. Bro, I can't win. He's gonna spam katana, bro. I actually can't win this one. I'm so sorry, I can't win. Yeah, you see what? Okay. Should I pop the scythe? I'll pop the scythe, bro. Like, I can't win with chainsaw like that. Oh my god, that was so scary. Bro! How did he hit that, bro? Like, what? I don't want to accuse him of hacking, but he might. 50. When I use the at least I didn't hit a headshot. Okay, can we clutch this? Can we actually clutch this? No, we can't. We lose it right there. But we been lost. Wait, low key. I think I can win. Just low key. Low key think I can win, but I don't think that's possible. Oh no, I'm dead. What is he using, bro? Oh my god, bro. He is so scary, bro. He's actually so scary. Please do not use that shot. I think I can win. I look at I can win. What is he? Oh my god. What is he using, bro? Yes! Holy comeback, bro. Holy comeback. That's what we call a true pro, bro. True pro. He instantly left. Okay. So far, so good. I don't want to lose because of my win rate. It's pretty high, I think. 57.2. It was at 61 times. It's like, I've been killing hackers so many times. And people I gotta care about Sneaky Squirrel. Fuck, where's that avatar? Oh my god, bro. What is that avatar, bro? What is that avatar, bro? Please. What is that avatar, bro? What is that avatar, bro? Well, I Sneaky Squirrel. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Holy bro. 2 trick shots. Okay, a bow. I lucky hate that bow because like I think it's gonna be a problem. he kind of misses shots, so 6 or 7, guys. You guys have 6 or 7 elimination. Bro, one tip, like if you want to be with someone that's using auto shoot, don't show your open stuff. Like, make sure you always get a high ground, because like if auto strippers get the high ground, it's like almost over for you, bro. You see what I mean? Don't get the low ground. Make sure you have good settings. Oh, okay, I lost that one. Unless never mind. Is he using knife? I don't want to use knife. I want to finish this with chainsaw. With this. Boom. Okay, guys. This is gonna be the end of the video. Comment down below if I become a chainsaw master, even though I cheated. So just comment down. And also give me some dares so I can finish as a chainsaw master. Give me some dares. GG's. Make sure to subscribe and stuff like that. Bye.